What's up, guys? How is everyone doing? Sorry, I am super late. And that's why my stupid phone never stops. So anyways, how is everyone doing? And what the hell, I'm not in the watching the charts for a while, working late. I come back in and you guys let it go to this. What's happening? Crazy Greek Freak, Boston, FN based, Ricardo Martinez, Garrett Nordstrom. Appreciate you guys coming by, even though it's all screwed up. I haven't even got a chance to look at the charts. I am looking at them here with you now. What's going on? What is going on with this computer now? I swear, if it ain't one thing, it's another, man. Let's see. Sorry guys, hold on a second. All right. So obviously I missed stuff, huh? Thanks for the wonderful live stream. Sorry, man. Scott Chandler said, "What's the wrench symbol mean?" That's just the moderators for the chat. So obviously that didn't happen this morning, huh? If you do remember, we looked at some other possibilities. I still don't think we're going down lower. I actually, let's put the fibs on this. We'll look at Bitcoin first. Actually, I want to go into the 1 hour. Good to see you too, Jason. All right, let's see here. Just gonna put some fibs on this one real quick to see what it looks like. As you can see, we did cross over the 55 in the hourly, and then obviously we've come back down, but I want to look at these fibs real quick to see what it's looking like. Yeah, looks like we're probably gonna come back down to, I'm gonna actually put a target in here. Put it in right here. This is going to be a rough target, but I believe this is where we're headed, guys. 97.55 area, you know, give or take. It could be 97.65 to 97.40 area, but I do believe that's what we're looking at. The good thing is, if we did a fib extension on that, if we do make it down to that area, we could be looking at, see if this matches up, still looking around the same area, the 107, 109, or I'm sorry, 10.8, 10.850, somewhere in that range. But if you do remember, when I did this morning's update video, I did say that this could turn into more of a bull flag. Let me get these out of the way. Remember, I was looking at this as a triangle, but it is possible something like this. Damn it. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chat right now. Not ignoring you. I'm just looking at, yeah, we're in a channel here. We'll probably come back down to this, like I said, 97.55 range, somewhere in there, unless we break out here. But we would still use that same measured move, and this would actually go, depending on where we break, It may break while we're live here. That'd be cool, huh? It's happened before. Thanks for not selling your talks. We're just priming for the next upward movement. Yes, I do believe so. What's up, Dark Horse? Golden Cross approaching. And what time frame? Let's see. We're still looking good. Let's look at this divergence here. Yeah, we're still getting a little bit on the weekly. Obviously, it'd take a lot to change that. We've been in the same area forever now. Higher lows. 40 minutes to close. There's actually about 37 minutes to close. Love the spontaneous lives. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do them when I have time or when I find time. I probably won't be scheduling them like that anymore because obviously we see what happened. I scheduled it and couldn't make it. If we break when we're live, that means Savy gets a what? What's up, Ben? How you doing? What's up, Harry? But yeah, I think let me look at LITECOIN. Yeah, I had this triangle drawn in here on LITECOIN. Obviously that broke. Yeah, this definitely doesn't look motive at all. This looks like it still looks good. I mean, I do not think we're gonna fall much more, guys. Let me go back into the hourly. Take a look at this. Yeah, right now we're staying pretty much in this channel here now. Move this out a little bit. Definitely a channel forming there. A guy named Joe. Hey, Savvy, hope you're doing well. I am. I appreciate it, and I hope you're doing well too. 21 MA. I don't use the moving averages. I use exponential moving averages. I do use the 21 exponential, the 55, 200, 8, 13. Harry at the airport bar. I'm a little distracted. Sorry, thought it was hitting backspace. How long you been at the bar, man? Gustavo Caro, respect for Tyler Jenks. Not a fan, but respect the man. Yeah, I wasn't a fan at all. Actually, I disagreed with pretty much everything he had to say, but you know, I definitely have respect for the guy. He did help get crypto out there. He helped get Bitcoin out there anyway. Talking about, you don't see a lot of older people in the space of that age group. Most people that age group want nothing to do with Bitcoin. I do respect him for that. What's up, Bobby Crypto? So is this what we're looking at here? Yeah, I definitely think we're gonna bounce up from this channel, but like I said, it's possible we go back down to the 97 area, 97.55. May even come down and touch this trend line. Should be around the 9,700. But looking at, yeah, I think we're all right, guys. Look at the RSI in LITECOIN. 4 hours, holy shit, man. What's up, Mr. Chefik? Hope I pronounced your name right. Work never stops. Going up in August. Yeah, I think we'll be going up before August. Well, I take that back. No, it'd be probably, if we look at that big, whoops, I'm in Litecoin. I want to go in Bitcoin. If we look at that big triangle, I'd said we could spend a couple weeks in here before breaking. That's the 1 hour. I want to get in the 4 hour. I don't even have it on the 1 hour. But yeah, we definitely have some time in there, guys. I don't know why I just moved that down there. I believe keep that around the 200 EMA. It will actually be a little bit lower. Yeah, this was definitely faked me out. I thought we were having a real tight bull flag up here, but that was obviously not what it was. But I mean, we're still looking good on the RSI where we popped out of the falling wedge here. Yeah, I don't, like I said, I definitely don't believe that we're going down to the 8,500 level. I'm not saying it's not possible. Anything's possible in crypto. And I showed you that measured move earlier this morning, which would be measuring this as a A, and then this was B, and then C down, which would go around the 80, actually be a little lower, right around the 85-50 range. But I doubt that's happening, guys. I think that whoever is got the control here, you know, this is all a big fake out, getting people to sell. I really truly believe that. And people are buying cheap Bitcoins before a huge run up. I mean, look at who, there was somebody else, some big name, I don't know, corporation or whatever you want to call it, that just called 42,000 by the end of the year. I definitely think we're on track. And this, I posted one of my old videos where I was saying hyperwave was bullshit. That was the title of the video. And we were down in this area, and I was talking about, you know, it was going to break up, and everybody was still bearish, saying we were going down to 2,500, 1,000, and I think that was in March. But, you know, and look what we did. Iron Man trading, a huge run up. What are you talking about? Me just saying a huge run up? Yeah, I think we're gonna have a huge run up this year. Most definitely. JP Morgan is starting to tell customers to dump the dollar. Is that true? I haven't heard nothing about that. When will the price get to around 120? What in the charts tells you that? You're talking about, Ken Carter says, hey Savvy, thanks for what you do. Love these live streams. Any thoughts on Litecoin price action due to the halving? I don't pay attention to the halving. I don't pay attention to news, none of that. I believe everything's in the charts. You know, it's just a matter of reading the charts and, you know, seeing the direction. Do want to look at something real quick, just out of curiosity. Sorry guys, I'll look back at the chat here in a minute. Yeah, this just doesn't look scary to me. It definitely looks like we're going to trend up. We believe the dollar could lose its status as the world's dominant currency, which could see it depreciate over medium term. Don't believe JP Morgan. They're probably on the other side of the trade. That's true, man. Anything in the news like that, it's usually, if you hear stuff in the news, it's too late. If they're telling you to buy, they're already selling, and they just want people to keep buying in so they can keep getting decent prices while they exit. I mean, that's the people that have all the money are in control. They own the news. They tell them what to say, when to say it, how to say it. Chase Gordon says it's going to go to 7 to 8 5K range before it heads back up to the established new highs. There are a lot of manipulation at play because of fake volume on trade and trade whales and future trading. So I don't believe that at all, Chase. I honestly think because everybody thinks we're going down to 85, that we're definitely not. The same thing happened. You guys remember going to the daily. Everybody said there was no way we were going to break this 6,000. It wasn't going to happen. We touched it once. What's up, WebAge? Iron Man trading. BTC is going lower than 8. I keep thinking that. I do not think that's happening at all. Got to be, if everybody thought the same, the market wouldn't work. So kudos, man. It could possibly go there. I don't see it happening though. Look at my charts. I'm looking at my charts, buddy. It's nothing telling me that it's going down to 8,500. Like I said, I do have this in as the very worst case scenario, this $81 to $82 range, but I don't think we're going to hit that, guys. Bears need love too. Yes, they do. Without the Bears, we wouldn't be. All the Bears right now, if you think about it, guys, they are all salivating, shorting, thinking that we're going to go down to at least 8,500, possibly lower. They are going to get liquidated or stopped out if they place their stop losses. That's going to be our fuel. Yeah, if it did go down that low, I would buy some there too, definitely. Look at the 1 hour chart right now. Would we agree 99.22 is resistance? Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at it. Yeah, I mean, it's resistance. Like I said, we'll probably come back down to we might come all the way down to the 9,700 area before bouncing, but I don't think we are going to break this low over here at 9,500. I don't think at all we're going to do that. I could be wrong. Compare Litecoin halving to the first Litecoin halving now to the first halving. There's a pattern there. I'll do that here in a second, Boston. Rejection of 90. Yeah, that's where my 8 EMA is. But like I said, we're gonna continue back up. I mean, you can see where there was all this support here turned to resistance here, but it's not that strong. Yeah, I just do not see that $8,500 range. Like I said, I see it as a possibility if this is a A, B, and a C, but it just doesn't make sense on the charts at all. The 8,500 is being thrown around so much, like all the copycat TA guys and that just copy each other all the time, and they all stick to the same number, and 99% of the time they're wrong. I see this candle forming, rejecting 99.22. Well, you know, we'll have to watch and see. Will we break up out of this channel, or do we come down and touch the bottom again? I'm not saying we won't touch the bottom again, but I'm saying we're not going. I don't see us going down to 8,500. I mean, I'm not saying it's not possible, but I'm saying I'm not seeing it. And if we did, I think if we broke this trend line right here with conviction, we would probably be heading down to this yellow trend line right here, which would be, goes all the way back to right here. I took it off these 3 wicks, and when we broke here, obviously we all know what happened. But yeah, I don't see it coming down to here. Just don't see it. Crypto TV claims 6K. Crypto TV. Is that young kid? Yeah, that CME gap crap. That's retarded. That's a good way for the market. Whoever wants people to think that, leave them gaps there so everybody stays out. You know, this all reminds me of hyperwave. Totally reminds me of hyperwave. There is so much money sitting out on the sides waiting for these lows that when they have to FOMO in, it's gonna fuel it. Let's take a look at the gold just for shits and giggles. So I think my opinion is we're here. Some people are saying everybody's waiting for this. You know, gotta have a capitulation candle. Tone vase, gotta have a capitulation. This was it. So everybody with lower lows, because everybody's saying we have to get lower lows. And that's the thing, you know, new people believe everything them guys say. Yeah, he did. We talked about that earlier. Fan-based Tyler passed away. Like I said, personally, I had nothing against the guy. I didn't like the hyperwave theory, and I feel a lot of people got screwed believing that theory. A lot of money got left on the table. Which part do you think, WebAge asks, Crypto Savvy, which part do you think are we in the handle? I don't understand what you're saying in the handle. Are you talking about Litecoin? Yeah, I do believe this is a handle forming in Litecoin. I definitely still believe in this cup and handle. And I seen Crypto Jeremy posted today that I watched the video. I don't remember how he was saying it, but he didn't believe in the way I found my targets or whatever. But I mean, my targets have hit all year. But yeah, everybody does TA different. I mean, some people, you know, use Elliott Wave and whatnot. I used to use Elliott Wave. I really don't care for it anymore at all. My trading improved when I quit using it and kind of made my own method using a mixture of Elliott Wave, Fibonacci, just trend lines, resistance, and Wyckoff theory or Wyckoff method. Mixed them all up and kind of made my own. WebAge, you mentioned way back we were in a cup and handle for Bitcoin. No, I don't think I ever said that for Bitcoin. Well, could it be? Possibly, but I don't remember ever saying that for Bitcoin. Oh, way down in here. Yeah, a long time ago. And that was, yeah, that was a long time ago. Yeah, that was this here. That was this. But yeah, that was a super long time ago. I don't believe any of this is a cup and handle right here. It looks like the pattern copied the 2017 July. 2017 July. Is that right here? Yeah, I don't agree with people when they go back and look at what it did before. That killed a lot of people too, because this was supposed to only go up to here and then way back down because it was compared to this and that. And the only true indicators, guys, in my opinion, the only true indicator is the RSI. That is, it's not lagging like everything else. I do like my EMAs. Don't get me wrong, but Crypto Savvy, is there a specific TA personality that you respect and model your own TA after most, or just totally do your own thing? I do my own thing. I used to watch a little bit of everybody, and I stopped watching them because I would do my own TA and then I would just sticking to my own stuff. But yeah, I do respect most of the guys. You know, there's some pretty decent TA guys out there. I respect that, but I don't watch them. What you guys believe on the itch channel? I don't understand. Yeah, that's one thing I hate, when people are so adamant on what they're calling, but they don't show anything. They're just regurgitating what they hear on the internet. For the most part. What's up, Farshad? Iron Man Trading says only true indicator is none of them. They're all garbage. I hate indicators, but I like my EMAs help tremendously, and my RSI. Everything else I don't use. I used to use a little bit of MACD. I got rid of that. And eventually I may get rid of the RSI. I'd like to get where I don't use anything. But that comes with time. I think the more indicators you got, the more screwed up you're going to be. T-Bone said, have you seen the market cipher? Indicator, yeah. Bullshit. Might work for right now, but just like everything else, like the NVT, all that shit, it's all made on past market. It's back tested in the past. The market's changing drastically. It's maturing. That shit don't work, man. And that crypto face, I've heard nothing but horrible, scammy shit from that guy. I've heard he's screwed a lot of people, man. And I've heard personally from the people. What else have you interested in the next 4 to 5 years? Andrew, are you asking the room? I don't have any interest in any alts other than Litecoin. I don't believe the halving. I don't believe in the halving effect. If you look back in the past, it's always been different. Each one for Bitcoin. There hasn't been enough halvings to really use that as anything, in my opinion. Thanks, Iron Man. Wears a bandana over his face for a reason. Exactly. The other scammers, there's a couple scammers that are pretty blunt and they show their face, but there's a few out there that won't show their face, don't show their face, never will show their face because there's people pissed at them. I did hear one of the YouTubers, which his personality I don't mind, but he does charge for courses, and I absolutely hate that. And I heard someone sent me a link to it today and told me to listen to his rant about it, and he was saying that the only reason he charges is so that it will help you more, because if you don't pay for something, then you won't put as much effort into it. But if you pay for it, then you'll put more effort into it, with some hogwash, whatever. But I don't know, a bunch of bullshit. What's up, Big Tex Crypto? What time is it? 9 minutes. 21 EMA is resistance now on the daily, but like I said, I still think we're good. If you look at the dips here, we can go back in here. There were two dips here also in the gold chart. Yeah, I don't believe that. I believe that 21 EMA is going to hold, and I don't believe we're going to go down to these lows everyone's talking about. I do watch Crypto Zombie because I have respect for him. He just one of the guys. I like his personality, but he was showing that throughout, I think it was throughout the bull market, if I'm not mistaken, but usually when it never dropped past 20% or something like that off of that, which would make it 7,900. I don't know. I don't see us going down to that 8,500 range. I just don't see it. What invalidates your my gold chart? Man, I would have to say to invalidate it would be shit. Honestly, a break of this 200 EMA on the daily. But I don't see that happening. Steve at Crypto Crew University is not bad. He's not bad. Did you see what he charges? Come on, man. He's one of the worst ones. If you've been in crypto for this long, you should use this course. If you've been in for this long, what the hell is that? It doesn't matter how long you were in it. The course is a course, man. Thanks, man. Robinhood is good to get your feet wet. I've never messed with Robinhood. I don't think you don't actually own or get real crypto in Robinhood, though, do you? Iron Man Trading, if you do not show your live trades that you take in your own personal account on your stream, you are not legit. I don't agree with that at all. And honestly, Crown just had said his attorney told him not to do that on his live streams anymore. But I show my trades, and I've been in, since I closed all my last trades, I've been in my last long was 11.2, which I'm still in, and I've been adding to my longs down here. And the room knows what I have, and I do post screenshots when I close my trades and open them. Yeah, Travis, and all he's doing is teaching the basics. It's so freaking basic. You can find the same information you're buying off those guys anywhere on the internet, man. Nick Swat says paying for good TA is much more profitable than losing on free TA. The TA is up to you. People are teaching you how to do it. It's up to you to learn to do it. You don't watch some videos and shit and become a good trader. You fucking practice. Man, people. That's why people get ripped off. I do, though. I show when I close and open my trades. I show in the Discord. I don't have any reason to tell people online, or I don't have any reason to tell on YouTube what I'm doing when I'm doing, especially live. Junior, I just talked about the Litecoin halving thing. I don't believe in the halving. I look at the charts, not news and hype and shit. Randall McMurphy, I just buy Bitcoin and Litecoin and just hold. That's a damn good way to do it. I do the same, but I do trade. I do leverage trade also, and I use my profits and I buy more coins. But I don't trade my physical coins. I keep them. People piss me off, man, because people just don't get it. Travis Rose, I like how you say if they're such good traders, why do they charge money? You should make all the money you need with it if you're such a great trader. And that's exactly right, man. I do pretty well off my trades. If I traded full time, I'd probably do a lot better, but I work. So I swing trade, I get in long trades, and I'll ride them out. Some new YouTubers say LTC will fail this days. What's your thought? I don't see Litecoin failing. I don't know if you remember, but Litecoin pulled us out of the bear market. So Henry, I just said that. It's not a price. It's a 200 EMA on the daily. What makes me like Litecoin? I like the concept. You know, it's limited too. There's 84 million. And it's getting out there. It's doing shit. It's not just talking shit. A lot of coins, you know, they say they get these big partnerships or whatever, and they're with companies you never even heard of. Guys, 98%, and it may be 99% of all the altcoins are shit. I really, truly believe that. There's going to be very few that make it, but so many people are going to lose their asses. They'll probably trade for a long time because basically that's all they are, is little tokens for people to gamble with. People's time is valuable to them. Yeah, people's time is valuable to them. So if it's so valuable, why don't they use it in trade and make all this money that they say they can make trading instead of charging people, and all that's doing is supporting their fucking gambling habit. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, these scammers that are charging people for shit, promise them they're going to be a good trader. I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to go off on this now. I'm getting pissed about it because they promise these people the world. And I know another guy that's doing it right now that doesn't have any fucking clue how to trade. And he's charging people 0.1 Bitcoin a month because he knows somebody that has a good name in trading. And I can't believe that guy's letting him do it. And it's the dude sucks. He's an idiot. He's saying that TA don't work and that you got to learn to trade with your mind or some bullshit. I mean, man, I don't know. I'm gonna stop with the rant, or I'm just gonna get more and more heated. But these guys just scare all the newbies out of the space. The newbies, and the fact is, 90% of day traders, which that's how most of these guys are selling their courses and shit to day trade and shit. 90%, and it's a fact, 90% of all day traders lose everything. They're done. 90%, it's a fucking fact. So if all these guys that are selling this shit are in that top 10%, which I highly fucking doubt. Anyways, I'm done with that. I will, Sherry. Why you think Tone don't trade and he sells his courses? Because he fucking sucks, but he makes more money selling his shit courses. Fuck, man. Sorry about the cussing. I don't usually cuss that much, but I wasn't in a very good mood when I started today, so. Iron Man, there's a link in the description below all my videos. Got the link to the Discord in there. Also, guys, hit the thumbs up if you enjoy the rants. Excuse me. And definitely check out the affiliate links in the description box below the videos. If you guys can use them, great. It really helps the channel out. If not, that's okay too. There's also some tip jars in there. Crazy Greek freak said Savy may need another vacation, bro. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, Bitcoin broke. It is rare form. Sorry, man. Just in a bad mood. And that shit really pisses me off, man. Really, really pisses me off. Mitch Ray is there. Yeah, I hear a lot about him. People talk about him in this chat all the time. I've never watched Mitch Ray. I don't know who he is. Yeah, that's what I mean. What's up, Marcus? Thanks, Kat. Much appreciated. Thanks, Rowdy. Yeah, just a little heated today, man. I apologize for you guys having to listen to that, for real. That's the other thing about day trading, guys. I mean, if you want to do it, that's fine, but there's some more facts to day traders. They usually have no life. Most of them are divorced or just can't keep a relationship. It's hard swing trading and working to you know. My wife got sick of it forever when I was learning. But anyways, they have no life, especially in crypto, because it never stops, man. But if you know, to each their own. I just, if you do decide to day trade, you have a 10% chance of doing okay. Doherty Enterprises. I will, he said, Savvy, when will you record training on leverage trading? As soon as I get some free time to make a video. Like I said, I'm not gonna be making an update video on Monday. I will do a live stream Monday night, but I may make a video. I may try to make a leverage trading video, and post that Monday morning, since I won't be able to do an update. Excuse me. Jay Ramsden, how long you been in crypto? 2017 in crypto. Before that, I was playing in penny stocks. Take it easy, Harry. Let's go into the hourly and look at this. Yeah, like I said, it may come down to another touch to this, somewhere in the 9,700 range, possible. Unless we break this top trend line, then we go up from here. Right on, big text. No, I don't mess with penny stocks anymore. I'm mad. Yeah, like I said, I'm looking at the 97.55. Like I said, also it could go all the way down to here. Rod Santos, thanks for the tip, man. Can you look at Ethereum BTC on Coinbase with, will Ethereum outperform BTC short term? Let's take a look at it. I haven't looked at it, so I think I have Ethereum US dollar up. Let's go. Yeah, again, guys, I don't follow these charts, so I can take a quick look at it. I really only chart Litecoin and Bitcoin, but I will take a quick look at this. What was it to BTC on Coinbase? I don't even see it on here. There it is. It actually draw a trend line here real quick just to take a look at it. I don't know. This seems to be getting. No, it looks like. See something. Looks like Ethereum's probably gonna get up, back up to the 0.023. If it does break this area, then yeah, it looks like there could be some. It could get a jump up, back up. And that would probably be to I don't like that one, but that's probably pretty close. Man, everything against Bitcoin right now is pretty ugly, guys. Definitely look like it should be getting a pop up though. Probably gonna come up and retest that 21 EMA right here, and this is the daily. Let me go to a smaller time frame for the hourly. See what that's looking like. See, the hourly doesn't look as bad. It actually almost looks like a cup and handle here. Let's see, the measured move from this would be, could be considered an Adam and Eve too, I suppose. Measured move would be the same. Yeah, it looks like it's possible. Right there, same area, 0.0239. That's what it's looking like, Rod. That would be my target for right there. But again, like I said, I don't really mess with Ethereum, and I don't trade anything against Bitcoin. It's just not the way I trade. Go back in here. Get this chart out of there. Yeah, I'm curious to see what this is going to end up doing right here. Look at the RSI. Yeah, the RSI has definitely got probably going to come back down here, guys. And that would get us down to this 97.55, maybe even 97 range. David Watt says, I think it's going to track sideways for a while and then shoot back up. It's possible. I definitely see a move up coming, though, out of this channel. I would pretty much lay a bet on that. But like I said, 9,700 range possibly, before continuing back up here. We'll see. I didn't even notice. Is there a fib level down there? Let me check the fibs on that real quick. And that's all the way down to 96.50. I guess that's possible too, the 0.786. But again, I don't see us going past this 9,500, dropping below that. I highly doubt it. But watch the charts. Sparky, laugh out loud, love your rants. What do I think about droids? Mr. Biz said. I have no idea what you're talking about. Do I think Litecoin will hit 0.02 again? If so, when? I don't know. Like I said, I don't even look at anything against Bitcoin like that. Sometime I'll start doing it. Iron Man said I'm dumb. Can someone link Discord? I got the link set off in here because of all the spammers. I got it shut off on my comments too. So just open up the description of the video and scroll down. You'll see it in there. It says Discord. Every successful trader in every market does it their own way, especially after monthly evaluations of what works and what doesn't. You got strengths. Sometimes it's just the time of day. Roger, that's so true. Like I said, you'll see tons of different styles of traders and they come up with the same targets. There's a lot of different ways to come up with the targets, you know. Like I said, a lot of Elliott wave targets, and some people just use fibs, some people just use EMAs and MAs, and some just use support and resistance. But the good TA guys and trader guys, they come up with the same targets a lot of the time. So Friday morning Bitcoin futures closing, we are expected a quick dump, 3 to 4 a.m. Central. I don't know where you heard that, but I don't know why you would be expecting a dump. There you go, Scotty. It did let you do it. How much of a drop are you thinking there could be for Litecoin? I really didn't even look at it. Like I said, I don't even trade Litecoin. I just hold it. So I don't really. Still the same. Still looking at that 72. And if that was to break, like I said, that my absolute low for Litecoin would be the 62. If the 76 broke. But by the looks of it, I doubt Litecoin goes past this 200 EMA right here on the daily. I don't see us dropping below that. And if it does, it'd be a quick wick. But this right here, guys, on the daily, these are reversal candles right here. Some people look at them as tweezers. I've heard people refer to them as railroad tracks. These candles right here, that's a reversal candle. Pretty strong reversal candles. I just use tea leaves and chicken bones. Yeah, Iron Man said it would go down from 99.22. I mean, that was pretty apparent, but I mean, that's day trading stuff. Those little swings are, I mean, useless for what I do. Bo Paulney says it's going back from here. That's a bull flag. Said D3X3D. Extreme fear according to the greed fear index. I don't know how much I trust the greed fear index, but it's just another indicator I really don't pay attention to. It's good for entertainment purposes, I guess. But yeah, guys, I don't know. I still think we're good here. It'll be real interesting to see how this weekly closes. Litecoin, good possibility we close green. Bitcoin's dropping again. Let's see how far this goes down here. I'll look in the 15-minute chart just for shits and giggles. Not extreme fear. The pattern was in the 1 hour chart. What's up, dude? Hope you had a good day. What's up, Crypto Jeremy? Seeing your little video about me today. Rest in peace, Tyler Jenks. Chad, you have some cool shirts, Savvy. They will be easier to buy soon. The wife will have her webpage up. Hopefully really quick. I did put a link to it in the Discord, in the Savvy affiliate links. You can go in there and you put your email address. It will let you know when her site goes live. Her webpage, I mean. Everybody drinking, everybody smoking. I'm wishing like hell and hoping that I can make it up out of this mess. I'm too damn young for this stress. Oh yes, save us, crypto. No one ever seems right. So many opinions. Bitcoin's weekly candles look like a stairway to heaven. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. I see it. I see it in there. It says my status is still good though, so I don't know what the hell. No idea why it's blurry like that. Maybe try resetting it. I don't know. Where's Bitcoin going? There we go. Let's see how far we go. me go back into the 1 hour here. Oh, looks like we might be dropping out of that channel. Could this be moved? Let's go look at the 4 hour. Where was that EMA I was watching? Just blew through 97. I don't think it'll stick. Remember, I did say it might wick through this trend line right here, just like it has all these times. Bitcoin, Litecoin's going down too. Not too bad. Getting resistance on the 4 hour from the EMAs right here in Litecoin, but we shall see how this plays. 5 would be the bottom of this here. We'll see. What is this? Oh, this is just the start of the daily. Actually, that's good. I'd rather see the daily. Go down before going up. That way you get a wick on the bottom, because you're ultimately gonna get a wick. Very few daily candles have a wick. So if you went straight up, you would be worried about coming back down. I mean, it's not, I mean, that's not written in stone or anything, but if you look at all the candles, they all got bottom wicks. I'd rather have them do it right off of the rip. Oh God, here we go with the gap fill again. What's up, big dog? Harlan says it's a bull trap. You sure it ain't a bear trap? Pretty sure a bunch of people are going to be shorting and selling right in here. Just my theory, though. I just got Discord, but can you link your channel? I don't see it in the video. Yeah, Scotty just posted it. Scroll up. He just posted it in there, Iron Man. Yeah, this is, if you look at the big picture, man, look at the move we had and look at this correction. It's not that big of a deal. There you go, Iron Man. You just posted it again. It's right above your head. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't know what's up with the video, why it's so blurry. Looks good on my screen. T-Bone says, when in doubt, zoom out. Exactly. It's a guinea pig trap. All this is still experimental. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna get out of here and have a good night. I will post an update in the morning. Let's see what happens tonight. Keep an eye on these trend lines, man. But thanks for stopping in. I appreciate all your guys' support. Have a wonderful night, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. I will be posting video. I'm gonna probably post it a little earlier than usual tomorrow morning, so make sure you watch out for it. I'll post it in Discord too. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night.